Hey everyone, I just wanted to take a minute and just talk about how much I love keto. I love it. I've been doing it since about March and it has been an incredible journey. I have lost so much weight on it and I feel incredible on it. The best that I've felt is in the past few weeks when I've been doing the Team Keto 15-day challenge, and I absolutely love it. The meals are delicious, they're so easy to prepare, and you feel full, you feel good. I love them, and I'm so excited for the 6-week challenge coming up. I love keto. Love it, love it. And I also wanted to share that I have been using the supplements, the Team Keto supplements, and they're delicious, they're amazing, they work, they've been a game changer for the keto journey so far. And I use the Team Keto Fuel in the morning and it gets me rolling. It's awesome. And I love it with the MCT powder. It makes it so creamy, it makes it taste delicious. And I also use MCT in my coffee and my hot chocolate and love it. Makes it so creamy and gets me the fat that I need. And I also love the collagen peptides, which I also mix with MCT. So it's been awesome. I love the supplements, I love Team Keto, and I just want to encourage you on your journey. Just stick with it and you will have great success.